What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new trucking vlog. So today we're starting the night off stuck. I don't think this truck was supposed to park like this, and I don't think that truck was supposed to park like that. So now we can't even get through. Gotta make freaking deliveries out here, man. Come on. There's a truck right behind me also. It's probably gonna come and tell me stuff right now, thinking that I'm just in the way. Look at all the trucks are starting to gather up right now. There's a box truck right there, right behind the Peterbilt that's behind me, and then there's another truck behind that one. So it's starting to pile up. Hopefully the security comes right now and realizes that it's not my fault. So someone just came out right now and said that I'm gonna have to move. I'm like, bro, I'm in a freaking truck. How am I supposed to move? There's one truck behind me and a box truck behind him. Got a line full of mad truckers right behind me, so. See, the thing with this though is you can't be blocking the traffic. So, I don't know. Waiting for this guy to come back out here and come tell me stuff. I know he's gonna tell me off because he already was kind of yelling at me before I started recording. So, let's see what happens, man. And this whole video is gonna be freaking of us just in the damn parking lot of a market in South San Francisco, stuck. Let's see what this guy tells me. Hey bro, can you move your fucking truck?
Get out of the way!
Bro, I should fit, right? That's perfect, no? Bro, no, not this guy. The guy up in there, whoever's unloading this truck was like, make a U-turn, turn around. I was like, bro, do you not see I'm driving a truck? And he's like, well, you're gonna have to call security because we're not moving.
Well, that's Shasta right there, though.
Exactly. He's like, call Shasta and tell them to move it because we're not moving it. I was like, fuck. Is Kim back there?
Huh?
He's on the dock? What is she doing? What is she doing? There's no way. He's not, I'm telling you, bro, he's not gonna be able to get out. Let's see how he gets out. Or she, I don't know if it's a she or... Nah, they should have enough room. Especially if there's no truck next to them.
There's like 10 trucks behind you.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was hoping for.
But then the red truck for the back says he's gonna fucking rape you.
Look at, he almost hit that. He's panicking.
Well, no one's getting
There is a truck next to them, no?
Huh?
There's a box truck next to them.
No?
On the other side, I think so. Like on the other side. They should be good though, honestly. I think we should be all good now. Yay! I love you. Man, 30 minutes later. Okay, man, let's make these damn deliveries, boys. Okay, so they just told me that it's gonna be about an hour and a half to 2 hours, 3 hours max, he said, before I get a door. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some sleep back there, probably clean up the sleeper. Hello?
Yeah. You can back out door number 2.
Door number 2?
Yeah.
Alright, man, thanks.
Alright.
Bye. Look, I was about to go to bed and they literally just freaking called me, man. Heck yeah. See, this is why I didn't want to go to sleep, because I knew this was gonna happen. So let's go back into this damn dock. Got my paperwork, boys. Everything's looking good. Let's go around the corner and go to the next delivery. Finally got a good parking spot. Now it's time to get some sleep. Alright guys, so we just made it out here to the truck stop. Gotta pick up one pallet down the street from the truck stop, which is pretty cool because your boy needs to pee. So let's get into the truck stop and probably get a water, use the restroom, wash my face up real quick, and then we're gonna head over down the street and go pick up this little tiny pallets. Just gonna do old reliable damn chug rug and smart water. Screw it. So before I head off to the packing house or whatever, I was actually kind of thinking of doing a video for you guys where I pretty much do like a day in the life outside of the truck. So I've been kind of thinking about doing that, thinking about a way of doing it, and I think I figured it out. I found my AirPod all chewed up. So I think I'm gonna record a day in the life as soon as I get home today, because I have the day off today. And I'm gonna record what I do pretty much after I get home from work. So stay tuned for that video. So we just pulled up to this damn packing house just to find out I came to the wrong one. My lord, man, my uncle's gonna be mad. And I got a little friend right here. Hi, little guy. Are you gonna bite me? Because if not, I'm not gonna get down. Are you gonna bite me, bro? I ain't trying to get bit. You got pretty sharp teeth, my guy. You feel me? And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching another vlog. And as always, you guys know, come back on Thursday for a brand new trucking vlog. And I'll see you guys next time. Vámonos! Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Laters!